After just visiting the place Akrur Ghat, we reached to the place Bhatrol, and it is the story of the Bhatrol is described in the scriptures. One day the Krishna grazing the cows with their friends, and he reached to that place by the Yogmaya desire, or the god desire. One day the Krishna forgot to bring the food that which is made by the mother Yashoda, and they reached to so far by just walking, and it crossed the Mathura, near to the border of the Mathura. And the Krishna was telling to their friends, and we forgot the food, we forgot to bring that food which is made by the mother Yashoda or others, Saka's mothers. So Krishna told, there is a nearby, there is a place where the Brahmins are doing the yagya. So they prepared very delicious food for the yagya to offer into the yagya. So Krishna said, go and ask for the food. Then the Sakas reached to that place, and there the yagya Brahmin was, and they said to the yagya Brahmins, we are very hungry, we want to do the bhojan. The Brahmin was telling that we till then the Purna Ahoti not happened, the Yajna is not completed yet, how can we offer you the prasadam? So the Brahmin chastised the Sakas and said, go away from here, will not give you anything. Then the Sakas reached to the Krishna and said, we are just dying due to the due to our, like, we are feeling very much hungry, we are not able to control our hunger. So then the replied, the Brahman was not would not want to give us the food. So then after that the Krishna said, okay, go to the Brahman's Patni, they will give you. Then the Sakas are asking the question to the Krishna, how they will give us to prasadam to us, because they are saying like the Purnahoti not happened yet, so how they can offer the prasadam to us. So Krishna said, please do the faith on me and just go to their wives, and they will definitely give you something to eat. Then the Sakas came there. So that time the Yagya Patni, so they already prepared the so much bhojan preparation for. So even they are just hankering the Krishna darshan, and they are just, and even they heard the name of the Krishna Balram, like so much they are feeling so much happy by just hearing their name only. So that's why this all the Yajya Patni, whatever the samagri has they prepared, and they also came with all of the samagris that is prepared for the yajna, and they are just doing the stuti of the Krishna and chanting the shlokas. And after that, so Krishna also making jokes with the Yajya Patni. After listening, that the similarly the Krishna present with the gopis in a Ras Leela, and doing so much jokes with the gopis. The similarly the Krishna saying to the Yajya Patni, how can I serve you? And the gopis also, he asked the same question. So at the last, the Yaja Patni offered the prasadam to the Krishna, and Krishna and their sakas did eat the prasadam nicely. And after that, the Krishna was telling to Yaja Patnis, now go back to your home. Then the Brahmin wives are telling to Krishna, we will not leave you. Then the Krishna saying, no, you should go back to your house. So then the Yaja Patni was telling to the Krishna, like, now our Brahmins will not accept you, so how can we go back to our home? So in this way, the Krishna is doing uh, has parihas with the Yagya Patnis. As the Yagya Patni reached back to their house, so the Brahmins are doing the pranam to the Yagya Patnis, and they are just feeling so much guilty in their self, like uh, they didn't come to know that the Krishna is a god, and our life is very our life is unsuccessful. So how the, like, simply the Yagya Patnis has attained the god, but still we have carrying the Brahmin attitude, we are not able to attain the god. So that's, as the Yagya Patni reached to the house, the Brahmins are feeling so much guilty. Even the Prabhupada is telling, like, he accept the gopis, but why not the Yagya Patnis? Because the Krishna is telling, maintaining the maryada of prem, that's why the Krishna didn't accept the Yagya Patnis but accept the gopis, because for that you should need to be take birth on from the womb of gopis to enter into the Ras Leela. So that's why, just maintaining the maryada, the Krishna said to the Yagya Patnis, please go back to your house. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.